Boss, ilang odo na yung motor mo, boss? Ha?
8K, boss.
Ha?
8K.
8K? Kabago-bago ng motor mo, tapos biglang hindi na umandar.
What?
O nasobrahan sa linis. Yan, boss, oh. Starter na tamaan yung starter niya.
Oh my God.
Putol-putol yung carbon. Ito.
Pwede na dito, Kuya Jeff.
Oo. Ang tanong, bakit pumasok yung langis sa starter? Hindi ba ito nakadaan sa tubig? Hindi ba? Tinaan mo sa baha to? Ayun. Ano yun? Bago-bago eh. Yan, si Boss Boyong Manyalak ng Sarok. Yan, Boss Boyong yan. Boss Boyong. Sup?
Walking down the streets, feeling the
Good banda.
breeze. In the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Just on the boulevard with the top down low. Music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker in the night's embrace. Lost in the moment, in the strip chase. Catch a glance of strangers as I pass it by. In the city, drapes is all right up the sky. Step in first takes me close to the high. Soft rap world where I spread my wings and fly. Waves crash my wings and fly. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing at the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove.
Tapos, ay di, hawakan mo. Ganyan talaga yan,
Underneath the
nagbiran.
blazing sun, where the sky meets the
Din
sea,
mo, nagusto hindi lang
find
marit
my
yan.
inspiration. Rhyming each beat, I paint my own story. The sand is
Ayos na tol. Papap tol, papap. Convert siya ng ano, carbon brush ng XRM. Eh. Ari pa, ayos na dol. Papap dol. Boyong Manyalak sa Kalam. Ari pa.